positive because your thoughts become become your behavior. Keep your behavior positive because your behavior become your habit. Keep your habits positive because your habits become your values. Keep your values positive because your values become your destiny. So, good evening to all my dear friends. I hope you all are excited for today's topic. Am I right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, a warm and heartfelt welcome to our respected Prakash sir and judges. Also, I welcome to all our eminent participants and speakers. So, today we all are meet again on the same time, on the same platform, with same people, but with different concepts. Its topic is about Mahatma Gandhi. So, without wasting time, let's start with our welcome speech. So, I would like to invite a super talented and a beautiful girl, Shrivani, for welcome speech.
Good evening to all. I welcome you all on behalf of everyone to this wonderful platform where we gain a lot of knowledge. It is my great pleasure to welcome you all. Let me also welcome our respected Prakash sir and all of our judges and those who are here in this meeting room with us today. And it is my hope that in addition to listening to the specific speakers who are going to give their speech today, you will actively participate in the speech as well. So, I thank you all for joining today's session and best wishes to all of those who are going to give their speech today. Thank you.
Thank you, Srivani, for a wonderful speech. So, today our topic is very compulsive. It's about Mahatma Gandhi. We all know that Mahatma Gandhi is the great freedom fighter of our nation. He always taught us that fight for on right. So, there is already given a name of our today's participant. Our today's timekeeper is Pramod Kumar sir. Hello, Pramod Kumar sir. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. I am ready.
Good evening, sir. Okay. So, we start our public speaking competition. So, our today's first speaker is Surjit Mishra. Hello, Surjit Mishra, sir.
Thank you, Kinjal ma'am. Uh, good evening, sir. Good evening, respected Prakash sir. Good evening, all judges and all the viewers today's evening. We can ensure. It's my great pleasure that I got the chance to say about something Mahatma Gandhi. So Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi, is regarded as the father of nation. He was born at Porbandar in Gujarat to Putlibai and Karamchand Gandhi on 2nd August of 1869. Uh, being a shy kid from the beginning, he began his schooling at the age of 9 and he started his high school when he turned 11. His ultimate objective was search after truth. His truth him from which he wanted to he wanted to find and express these things and non-violence. By these ideas, freedom transfer the struggle of freedom in India from a mass movement and also provided his leadership from 1950 until India gained its independence in 1947. Married at the age of 13. It was after the age of 16. The couple had children, so 4 children survived. Kapaya was her lifetime accompanied with many initiatives and socio-religious informed movements. In 1988, Gandhi went to Johannesburg, and there he was in British colony in South Africa, and he practiced 21 years for law in this country. After that, in South Africa, Mahatma Gandhi faces some discrimination because of his color, and thus he decided that he worked as a civil rights activist for the Indians who were settled in South Africa. And so there he developed the notion satyagraha. This is included. This is actually included in truth and non-violence. The satyagraha and non-violence remain the primary means of protest for all the reforms or all the primary means of protest, even all the complaints about the British rulers whenever Mahatma Gandhi came to India. In Mahatma Gandhi returned to India in the year of 1915, and he found in Ahmedabad. After that, in the same year, Mahatma Gandhi awarded was the Kesari Hind gold medal award for his service to the Indians who settled in South Africa. Then he joined the political group National Congress, and after all, he led the political group in 1920. He was started his political activism in 1917 in Chamara Satyagraha in Bihar in 1917. After all, in 1918, Khera Satyagraha, and in 1919, Khilafat movements. The three major movements of Mahatma Gandhi, which launched against the British ruler in 1919, the non-cooperation movements, and in the 1930s, the civil disobedient movements, and then in 1942, the Quit India movement. Sorry, the Quit India movement. During the World War II, Mahatma Gandhi launched the Quit India movement against British rulers and was jailed for 2 years from 1942 to 1944. Mahatma Gandhi also a voracious reader, and he raised a great many texts of Western as well as Indian writer also. And he was deeply influenced by the writings of Tolstoy, that is the kingdom of God is within you, and the slavery of our times, how do we escape, and the Ruskin's onto this last, and the political economic of art, and Henry David of this principle of civil disobedience. In Mahatma Gandhi launches the education scheme in 1937, a basic scheme of education which is based or emphasized on the vocational education policy as means to provide the workers independent works of government. I would like to share two main ideas of Gandhi's. First one is the non-violence and satyagraha. The word satyagraha consists of two meaning. One is satya and another is agra. So the two mixed in togetherly implies the truth, insist of truth in it. We can otherwise say that opposing of violence by non-violence. And the second is the quest for truth. By the means of Bapu, Bapu's saying that it is not only one way of protesting the authority, but also mixing the love and morality to strengthen the society. And another main principle of Bapu is Sarvodaya. That means the up limit of all or progress of all in a same way. That means I think our beloved Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, also told in some days and before many times told that this sabka vikas sabka saath. So I think Prime Minister Narendra Modi also followed the Bapu's principle. And the main thing, and finally I would like to finish my speech. One quote of Mahatma Gandhi, which is described in his autobiography, the experiment of the experiment of truth. The experiment of truth of autography of Mahatma Gandhi. That's a famous tutor that is being changed. Being changed you seen. Being changed you want to see in others. That's it, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It's wonderful speech. Ladies and gentlemen, please a big hand for Suryat Mishra, sir. Thank you so much, sir. So, Mahatma Gandhi, the father of nation, he always fought for our freedom. It's not worth having if it does not include the freedom to make mistakes. So, our next contestant is a very young and very beautiful personality, Lakshmi Bohra from Assam.
Thank you for giving opportunity to me. Since really expected to speak on Gandhiji, the part of our. So we all about Gandhi well. Know people of all over the world. So Gandhiji was a Indian lawyer, social activist, and a writer of the freedom movement of India against British. So Gandhiji was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His father's name is Karamchand Gandhi and mother's name was Putlibai. He was the youngest children of his parents. And if I talk about Gandhiji's personal life, so he got married to Kasturbai when he was only 13 years old. In that know anything about his autobiography, The Experiment of My Truth, he stated that he didn't know what is marriage mean to him. And also he stated that when he got to know about his marriage, he thought of beating drums, enjoying the marriage procession, eating good foods, wearing new clothes, and playing with a new girl. So he was a victim of child marriage. Now I want to share some interesting facts about Mahatma Gandhi. First one is that Mahatma Gandhi's birthday, 2nd October, was declared as the International Day of Non-Violence by United Nations in 2007. Gandhiji's name is now one of the most universally recognized name on earth. Gandhiji, and the third and last one is that Gandhiji was nominated for Nobel Peace Prize for 5 times but never received the prize. Gandhiji led 5 different movements in India. Those are Champaran movement in 1917, Hera movement in 1918, non-cooperation movement in 1920, Salt March in 1930, and the Quit India movement or August movement in 1942. Gandhiji has a great contribution towards Indian society, political and economic condition of India that time. Gandhiji's contribution towards freedom movement cannot be measured in words. He, along with other freedom fighters, compelled British to leave India. His policies and agendas were non-violent, and his words were the source of inspiration for all. Though Gandhiji is not with us today, but Gandhiji's name will remain in our heart forever. I want to complete my speech with a great quote of Gandhiji. Hate the sin, but love the sinner. Thank you so much.
Please put your two hands together for Lakshmi Bora. It's a wonderful speech, Lakshmi. It's a glorious speech. Thank you, Lakshmi.
Thank you.
Before I invite our next speaker, I want to say something about Mahatma Gandhi. Actually, it's a short story about Mahatma Gandhi, story named Gandhi and Kettle. During a routine examination in school, Gandhi's peers were asked to spell 5 words. Gandhi didn't know the spelling of kettle and misspelled it. While the examination inspector was doing his rounds, the teacher noticed the wrong spelling and prompted Gandhi to copy the right one from the student sitting next to him. But Gandhi refused to do it, and his mistake was caught by the inspector. Later, when the teacher asked him why he did not copy from his neighbor, Gandhi said that he had rather be wrong than cheat. So our Bapu was honest from his childhood. He always taught us to be honest with yourself. So, our next participant is Surya Kumar sir. Hello Surya Kumar sir. Please give your speech. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, he is not
Hello.
replying.
Okay.
You are audible, but Surya na.
Yes, so who's the next participant?
I'm muted.
Surya Kumar sir, please unmute your mic.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello sir, please give your speech.
Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
So exactly after a long time, I joined this session. So I don't know exactly what is the topic, but here I heard exactly what is the topic about Mahatma Gandhi ji. So I don't
Yes,
know
sir.
exactly what I can say. I prepared earlier. So just basic.
Hello sir.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mahatma Gandhi, by name of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, born October 2, 1869, Porbandar, India. Died January 30, 1948, Delhi. we can say Indian lawyer, politician, social activist, and right who became the leader of the nationalist movement against the British rule of India. He came to be considered the father of his nation, country. India is internationally esteemed for his doctrine of non-violent protest satyagraha to achieve political and social progress. So, what I can say Mahatma Gandhi about, uh, in the eyes of millions of his fellow Indians, Gandhi was Mahatma, great soul, the unthinking adoration of the huge crowd that gathered to see him all along the route of his tour mad, then a severe ordeals. He crowd he could hardly work during the day of rest at night. The words of the Mahatma Gandhi he wrote are known only the Mahatmas. His fame spread worldwide during his lifetime and only increased after his death. The name of Mahatma Gandhi is now one of the most universally recognized on earth. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Surya sir. You give a wonderful speech without
Thank you.
preparation. So lots of claps for
Thank you
Surya.
so much.
Okay.
Thank you so
So,
much, ma'am.
okay, sir. 2nd October. It's a day to celebrate the value of a special person. Who is the reason behind the freedom of our nation? Who taught the world the lesson of non-violence? Mahatma Gandhi, the fighter of nation. So, sir, who is our next participant?
Akbar Alam is also there. You can call him.
Okay.
Akbar Alam.
Hello, Akbar Alam, sir.
Hello.
Please
Hello.
give your speech about Mahatma Gandhi.
No,
Hello, sir.
politician and social activist in our India. He truth and he always say that the truth will be if you will be go with truth, definitely one day you will be win. And and now I am not comfortable to say one more thing about Gandhi. You know, it was very famous. His all life is famous in our all in all famous diaries already has wrote on this. So on my side is
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. So, I want to say something about Mahatma Gandhi. Let's look at Mahatma Gandhi. He had acquired this power by constant and careful practice of ahimsa, satyam, brahmacharya, non-violence, and truth. He influenced the world through this power alone. Bapu and his teaching will always help us fight even the toughest battles calmly. Hello, Nageshwar sir.
Yes. Is anybody want to wish to say? You can call them because
Okay.
we have only. There's no time is left, so you can call anyone. Yeah.
Okay.
Often.
So, anyone want to give a speech about Mahatma Gandhi? Ruchi ma'am?
Yeah, already everything told by every people, so it's okay. I can add one thing. We all remember the what Gandhiji said, and they said very good things about Swadeshi and they did Namak Andolan and many things like that. He involved in many for freedom. He involved for many work for our freedom also, and he is the father of nation. So we remember always them and do that type of works that Gandhiji loved. It is the good thing for all of us, and he always told that use Swadeshi things, and at that time it is very necessary we use our Swadeshi things. And our Prime Minister Modi also told that vocal to local, local to vocal. It means we made in our country many things so that we can stand in the world proudly. So it's very good to follow their lessons. Okay, thank you.
Wow, ma'am, it's wonderful speech. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving a wonderful speech. Anup sir, would you like to speak on this topic?